In another episode, we talked about the limitations of a traditional organizational structure. They don't succeed at maintaining a constant agility and speed of execution. So what are your options? Can you really have an impact on an organizational structure? How? Understanding how to adapt and reinvent yourself in this changing environment is key to the survival of enterprises, which leads us to the role that training must play. The challenge, learning faster than the competition to be able to stay ahead of them in the market. Today, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this in just a few minutes. Hi, I'm Maria from 360 Learning. This channel is for all of the learning and development executives out there who want to have a business impact. And guess what? We publish one video every Thursday at 2 p.m. So subscribe now. To help you get there, this video is going to provide you with the methodology to get there in 4 steps, inspired by the best practices of our clients. Let's start with the first step. Capitalize on the knowledge that you already have internally. Your company is a gold mine. Learn how to make the most out of it. How? By decentralizing course creation and relying on your internal experts. Concretely, you have to enable internal experts to quickly create courses so that they can share them with the rest of the organization. But heads up, I'm not talking about a traditional LMS, where course creation can take up to 6 months and $50K. Courses should be ready and deployed in 1 week at zero cost by directly involving business experts. For you as an L&D, you save time, energy, and money. Plus, you can help reduce the gap between business and learning by focusing your strategy on the content related directly to business instead of using generic courses purchased from catalogs. And this will get you a seat at the table. What's next? You have to put your learners in an active learning situation. Becoming a learning organization means creating internal buzz around knowledge sharing. How can you do that? Connect experts to learners by transforming the courses themselves into a social experiment. Concretely, use smart human interactions to generate engagement. I'm not talking about a form at the end of each course. Learners should interact directly at the heart of the course, ensuring an active learning environment. What's in it for you? You boost engagement and the overall performance of your project. At 360 Learning, we have 36,700 interactions on average each month and a 91% participation rate. Next, you have to develop your employee skills with a continuously updated catalog. Guaranteeing the quality of your courses available, both in terms of their content relevance and pedagogical structure, makes it possible to obtain good completion rate, increase the number of courses attended by learners, and to develop a training reflex in them. How? By having artificial intelligence at the service of trainers. Concretely, enable your trainers to continuously improve their content through smart recommendations. Last step, spread this new approach to learning across all layers of the organization. A learning organization implies a structural transformation of the company. And to have a chance to have such a huge impact on the organization, it would be necessary to demonstrate very clearly that training plays a major role internally. The new role of L&D teams is therefore here to build a long-term training strategy and disseminate it throughout the organization. To do this, you have to scale up by transforming 5% of your learners into content creators. And guess what? At 360 Learning, we built a product exactly for that purpose. We're not a usual LMS. Click the link in the description to try the product on your own. And if you don't have the time, book a demo. A learning expert at 360 Learning is going to show you what you can do for your business. What did you think of this episode? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next week for a new episode.